Instructions. Cook the rice. Boil water in a large pot with a pinch of salt. Add the soaked rice and cook until it's 70% done. Drain the rice and set it aside. Prepare the soya chunks. Soak the soya chunks in hot water for 10 minutes, then drain and squeeze out excess water. You can also marinate them in yogurt and spices, like a little turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala, for extra flavor, but this is optional. Saute the spices. Heat oil or ghee in a large pan. Add cumin seeds, bay leaf, cloves, cardamom, and cinnamon. Saute for a few seconds until fragrant. And soya chunks. Add sliced onions and saute until golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn soft. Add the soya chunks and stir well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Spice it up. Add turmeric, red chili powder, biryani masala, coriander powder, and salt. Mix well to coat the soya chunks and vegetables. Add yogurt and mix until everything is well coated with the spices. Cooked rice over the soya chunk mixture. Sprinkle chopped coriander and mint leaves over the rice. Drizzle the saffron milk over the rice if using. Low heat. Cover the pan with a tight lid or foil. Cook on low heat, dum, for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt together.